Alright, what's up guys? I want to show you how to use the BlogBeast software. You should have it on your desktop. Should have it unzipped, extracted, whatever you've done already. Just click on it, double click on it, and to open it up. Now some people have asked me why haven't I created my scraper to be automated where you just hit a button and you know, like thousands and thousands of emails come out. The reason being, guys, for ones that don't know, for ones that haven't come up to the cutting edge of technology of what's going on in the marketing arena right now, Google does not like you hitting their API. When you go and do things very fast, Google will literally, after a while, they will warn you. So if you guys are using those softwares that do that, Google will literally warn you about the you hitting. They know you're using automated software, and they don't like that. So I've unfortunately going to make you guys work a little bit for the lazy people that don't like this. Then you guys can probably maybe go buy some of that stuff that does ban you from Google, and you will get banned, guys, if you use automated software and it runs. They will ban you. I've done had people literally tell me that. Yes, Vic, how do you? And they literally had to go to Google and ask them to get back in their good graces. So it's a long version of why I didn't automate this, guys. I create software. Of course, I could have done it, made it where it just, but I've done it manually. So you're going to have to manually click a button to scrape the emails. Now, what we're going to do with these emails, guys, is this. This is not a spam software. You do not use these emails to go spam. Spam is dead, guys. If you go spamming people, they're literally just going to take down your account anyway. They're going to take down your whatever link you're sending to eventually, and you're going to get put on the blacklist. So do not use this software for spam, guys. Do not make any mistake at all about that. This is not for spamming purposes. But I do have a spam solution, and I'm going to share that with you in the video today. But first, let me show you how to get the emails. Here's how you do it. Now, this software is specifically designed to basically go out and get people's emails for you that have asked you to email them. Are you with me? This isn't non-targeted traffic. This is traffic. This is making money traffic. These are people that actually wants to make money, and they literally left their email address on a website somewhere, right beside where they said email me for more information, or email me with your product, or email me. They want you to email. These guys want you to email them. Now that still doesn't mean you need to just dump them in there and start spamming the heck out of people and just email them. That's up to you if you do that. Okay, I'm not responsible for that. But I will give you a spam solution in this video today. I'll give it to you in just a second. I'll show you my solution, what I came up with, where you don't have to email people. We're going to let somebody else do it for us. Alright, I'll show that with you in just a second. Okay, so if you want Gmails, here's what you want to do. Now, this all depends on how fast your internet service is, alright? It completely depends on how fast your internet is. If your internet is slow, then it will actually be slow. If it's fast, then it'll go faster than normal. Right now, I am literally down at the beach, and I don't have that good of a connection, so it may be slow for me. Let's find out. Let's do it. Okay, so we want to start out with the Gmail. So all you do is click on which emails you want. Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail. It doesn't matter what you start with, but I just start with Gmail. Click on that. What I want you to do is count to about 4 or 5. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. And then I want you to click Get Emails. Okay? And what it's done is scrape the first set of emails, which is 8. Now, that's not a lot, is it? Well, it is, guys. These are targeted people that want you to email them. Do you understand that? Completely different than any other emails you've gotten before if you're used to scraping emails or whatever. These are not non-targeted, whatever, with like some of them softwares. This is completely people that have talked about making money. They're in the IM internet marketing niche, and they want you to email them. So, okay, so this is very important. So, if you know it just came out with 8, we're going to get more in a second, guys. All we're going to do is click Get Emails, keep clicking Get Emails until you're tired of doing it. But I want you to know that these are people that are more prone to possibly buy whatever you have to sell, because they're in the marketing. As long as your offer is good, your offer has got to be good. I'm not going to get into that. Okay, so all you do now is just hit Get Emails one more time. Now you got 20. Get Emails. If you come down, guys, you'll see the emails that it's pulling. Okay, and what you want to do is just keep continuously clicking get emails until eventually Google will run out of emails for you. They'll run out. Basically, what we're doing is we're going to Google to find all these Google websites. Eventually, you'll get an error, guys. You'll have an error that will pop up and say it'll just say an error. What the error basically means is this: it doesn't mean the software is malfunctioning. It just means that Google does not have any more searches for this. Okay, in the Gmails. You with me? All right. So when you get that error, just X out of the error and then go to the very next one. Let's just go to, and you just go to Yahoo. Click on Yahoo, count to about 3 or 4, whatever. Click on Get Emails, depending on how fast your internet service, and there you go. Now you got some Yahoo emails right here. Yahoo went from Gmail to Yahoo, and the same thing. Same thing, guys. Keep on clicking Get Emails until your heart's content, until you get an error, or until you just get an error, and then you can go to your Hotmail and you can go to MSNs. Okay, and you guys can literally get tons and tons and tons and tons of emails. And what do we want to do with them? What we want to do is this: we want to basically hit save. And you want to save it as a text document. Okay, I'll save it on my desktop. Let's just save it as emails. Okay, I already got one of emails taken, no big deal. We'll just replace it, yes. Okay. And then it clears out so you can just start again. So you guys can literally come back in like another day or two or whatever and literally get different emails. So this is actually real time. This isn't, it doesn't go to a specific place every single time. This is real time where people literally could be building more websites right now, thousands of more websites that literally said, hey, email me here because I want you to tell me more about your product or whatever, or email me. Okay? Alright, so you guys can feel free to come back in 2 or 3 days and run it again if you want. Okay, so now that we've got the emails and we call it email tag, you should have a text folder now, and it'll open up your notepad. Now, if you'll notice, every now and then the software does pull some extra craziness, like right here. You see .moto. You guys want to, you can go in there and clean this up if you want. It's completely up to you. Sometimes it pulls just a little bit extra stuff for some reason. I'll show you how to actually I'll actually show you how to, well, never mind. I was going to show you a real quick way to do this, but it may not work. Clean it up a little bit though. Okay, so there's not really that many of them, but you can just clean them up if you want. Alright, now, and you notice they all have commas. The reason why they have commas is because when we use this no spam solution, you want to do this. Now, here's my no spam solution, guys. What we're going to do is do something that, this is my genius right here, guys. This is something I come up with, which is very, very good for us marketers. Because, like I said, spam's kind of dead. So how do you get around that? Here's how you get around that. Let's go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of them. Now, you can go to different social sites. What you do, guys, is you literally invite your connections. These social sites, I don't know if you guys know this loophole, but they will allow you to invite people. They will let you basically load up as many emails as you possibly want, and they will do the emailing for you. Understand that? They will literally send the emails out. Now you don't have to send the emails out. And what you'll do is set up your profile on these social sites and let your profile do the talking for you. So now when they send it, like let's say LinkedIn, when LinkedIn sends an email out to all of these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of emails that you're going to put in here, the emails will come up here and they'll be your friends. So it'll be up to you to interact with these guys about your product. Now I'm not going to get in a big video about that right now. You guys could just feel free to understand how to market your own products and stuff. All right, you guys have to be creative yourself, but you want to interact with these guys. Alright, so you go in. Let me just show you where, like in LinkedIn, I'll show you the secret where it's at, because most of these things are hidden. A lot of people don't know about this. So when you log into LinkedIn, you can come right up here to where it says Network. There'll be a drop down. You go to Add Connections right here. Alright, we're Add Connections, and then you literally just put your email in and go log in. Let it log into your email, right? Wrong. No. You can do that, but no, guys. We want to actually specifically load up these emails that we just scraped into this. Here's the secret. Here's the secret room where it's at, where most people wouldn't even found this even if they were looking. Click on any email. Any email. Come right down here, all the way down here to where it says invite by individual email. You guys with me? Any email, invite by any individual email. Click on that. Right here. Type email addresses below separated by commas. So what you want to do is go over to your list. Just left click in there anywhere, guys. Hold down the control key and hit the letter A, control alpha, and it'll highlight everything in there. And you can do another shortcut. You can hit Control C, which copies, or you can just right click on the highlighted part and click copy, or Control C is a shortcut for copy. So now they already have the commas. I made it where it saved them with commas, so you don't have to go ahead and try to add commas to each one of them. Come back over here to import contacts. Type email address below, separate comments right here, guys. Just click in there, and you can right click in there and hit paste. There you go. And then you send invitations. Click send invitations. 45 invitations have been sent. Brilliant, right, guys? All right. My job basically is to help you guys get more traffic. I know that's what you guys want, whatever business you're in right now. You guys just want more traffic. I am the traffic guy, guys. I can get you traffic. I'll tell you this real quick. Traffic's never been the problem, guys. If it has, you come to the right person. Hang around me as much as you want. I'll teach you some more traffic. I got tons and tons and tons more traffic methods, guys. But I want to introduce you to me by giving you some really cool software, and I've got lots of more softwares too that I'll actually can share with you down the road if you want. So just if you want, make sure you whitelist my email if you want, and I will be emailing you some more about more of my softwares if you like more of my software. I got tons of them, guys. So this is just one of them. Now what I want you to do is I'm going to show you one more site. That's LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very, very good place to be. I'm also show you Twitter. Now Twitter is somewhere you'll never find Twitters. Like, what the heck? Okay, sometimes it takes a little work to try to find when you go to a social site. It takes a little work to try to figure out where these places are at, where you can just load up contacts, where you can just load them up directly. Okay, all right. This is an account that I just put on. I just literally just made this account about 10-15 minutes ago. So what you want to do is when you come into Twitter, guys, come right up here at this top. Now Twitter changes all the time, so you know, it may be a year from now, whatever, but it may change already. So, but if not, right now, if you click on Discover, you can come right down here where it says Find Friends. Click on Find Friends. So we clicked on Discover, Find Friends, and then right over here, guys, invite friends to Twitter via email. Separate multiple email addresses with commas. Right click, paste all them bad boys in there. Okay, they're in there. And hit invite friends. We let 45 of your contacts know. Alright, they're gone. They just got sent. There you go, guys. That's Twitter. Now, like I said, once again, there's other social sites, guys, out there. I will warn you about Facebook. You don't want to do Facebook. Facebook will ban you. Facebook, even though they do have a place in Facebook, guys, where you can load up emails. There is a place in there, but I'm not going to show you because I don't want to steer you guys wrong. Facebook will actually, they'll ban you. They don't like you adding people anymore. They don't act like you adding like more than 10 people per day now, right? So even though they have a function that lets you load up as many contacts as you want, right? They don't tell you, hey, don't blow 10 a day. They don't tell you that. They literally will let you load up as many as you want. But what happens is when you load them up and you hit send out to your contacts, next day your account comes up flagged and you're in the Facebook jail for 3 or 4 days. So don't really mess with Facebook no more on that kind of stuff, guys. Those days are gone with trying to get around Facebook. Now the only thing I recommend to do in Facebook is just go add 10 friends. Don't add more than 10 friends a day. Just add 10 friends a day. In 30 days you've added 300 friends, guys. In 30 days if you do 10 a day. So that's still, it ain't like we used to be able to do, right? We used to have the big old Blaster Pro, right? Facebook Blaster Pro, and we'd load that bad, we'd fire that bad boy up, and it would just pow. All right. Okay, guys, I'm down at the beach this week, just chilling. And wanted to make this video for you guys real quick to understand how to work the software, and that's really it. That's how to work the software, and that is also the no spam solution for the software. And enjoy, guys. Enjoy the software. It's absolutely free. No charge to you at all for that. So look out for emails, guys. I do have some more softwares coming. We also are live every Monday. If you guys want to have any questions or concerns, Mondays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you guys can come to 2012millionaireclass.com. 2012millionaireclass.com, and you can feel free to come in with I got VIPs that I train on Mondays. You guys are welcome, though, as software owners of mine, to come in and ask questions if you have questions or concerns about the software. Feel free to come in and ask, guys. Or you can also email me, contactvic@getrix.com, if you have any questions or concerns about the software. One thing about the software, guys, it does work. If for some reason it doesn't work for you, you may have a slow internet connection. Just kind of wait. In other words, once you hit Gmail, Give it a few seconds, then click Get Emails, but then wait. Sometimes it may take a little while for it to get emails, guys, the first time. Just don't do anything else. Don't keep clicking this stuff or nothing like that. Just wait, and it'll finally the emails will get in there for you, just depending on your internet connection. The only other thing is you want to download .NET Framework version 4, guys, in case it doesn't work for you at all. You want to make sure that you do have the version. It's called .NET Framework version 4. You can Google that. I'll show you real quick. All you do, and we'll go after this, guys. Come right over here to Google and just put in .NET Framework version 4, and you'll see it come up right there. It's one that says Web Installer. Download Microsoft .NET Framework version 4 Web Installer. Click on that, and then what you want to do is there'll be a download right here, English, download. Click on download. Make sure you run and install it, guys. And once you run and install it, if the software's not working for you, if you do got the .NET Framework version 4 on your computer, then it will start working for you. Okay? Alright, guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Feel free to come Monday night, guys, if you want, live. And just have a ball with the rest of my class, guys. I have VIPs that I train in there, and we're working on right now. We're working on a $2.1 million project. So you feel free to come and ask questions or concerns, guys, about the software if you like. All right, have a good one, guys.